In today's adoption news, Ukraine legalizes crypto. Ukraine's president Zelensky signs crypto bill into law, adopting crypto essentially for Ukraine there. Now, we know Ukraine has been at war over the past, I don't know, what is it? Weeks to months now. At war with Ukraine, and during this period of time, a lot of people have been able to send support through crypto donations. So far, they've received over $100 million in crypto donations. As of March 16, President Zelensky legalized cryptocurrencies in Ukraine, signing, whatever bill that was into law. Law.
And this law, basically, it's straight to the point. It determines the legal status of crypto. Is it going to be a security? Is it going to be an asset? They're basically defining that right now. It also regulates virtual assets. You know what that means, right? We already talked about it in our past videos. Assets regulating either the companies, regulating either, all these altcoins out there, securing or protecting us as investors. So all the things that this is going to be covering as well. And also registration requirements for companies that are going to be bringing crypto into the country. And always remember, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are different. So as a cryptocurrency, all the different altcoins out there, they would have to now register or be required to register to be in the country. Yeah, straight to the point.
Absolutely. I mean, given the current situation going on in Ukraine, I don't know how good business is going to be going for the next couple of years. But right. Carrying on with this law, we know that this is going to be regulated by the National Commission of Securities, right? Same people who regulate their stock market. And of course, this fully legalizes exchange operations within the country and ensures that banks open accounts for crypto exchanges or any sort of crypto business. We've dealt with this ourselves here in the United States.
Yeah, and before this next topic about the growing trends, if banks start adopting cryptocurrencies, do they want to now be the banks of cryptocurrencies? It goes back to the old conversation we'll be having with you guys for a while, is that Bitcoin cryptocurrencies do not require banks. They're supposed to be P2P. So it's up to you if you want to transact your crypto through banks. But that's the way the trends are going right now. And the government and banks try to do exactly that. Have you go through them so that way you do not, the technology does not eliminate them from the equation. And the old transaction business is a major multi-billion-dollar industry. And of course, the adoption just continues in Europe, for example. And it's really good to see that, Ukraine has gone ahead and adopted cryptocurrencies.
Absolutely. Definitely. I think I agree with you there, Double O. When it comes to Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin really sets the standard. Having this peer-to-peer transaction, eliminating these third-party intermediaries, if you will, right? This is the whole purpose. This is the big problem we're trying to solve for. I think that is great for crypto adoption. It's, I don't want to say more of what we have wrapped up in shiny paper, but, it can seem that way. Now, the other thing before we go here, I'll ask you, do you think Ukraine legalized crypto from a place of desperation? If there was no war, would they still legalize cryptocurrency at this time as they have? Final thoughts, Double O.
That's a good question. I think I'll just leave it there. The adoption news continues. We believe that we're in the early stage of this. So please, we're not financial advisors, but, we strongly believe in this technology. Again, thanks for tuning in and, liking what we do. Absolutely.
Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, please do not forget to follow us on Facebook, Stackfin, Twitter, Instagram, and of course, like, share, and subscribe the video here on YouTube. Until next time, Brazen out.
Double O out.